When you open up OpenShot, this is the screen that you get it automatically starts into a new project. Whenever you are saving anything, you can just go up to the top to the menu and you can see where we have Save Project up top. And you have your different shortcut icons right up top too. So first of all, let's look at the preferences here, because you might want to change and know a couple preferences that just might make this easier for you on OpenShot. So if I go to Preferences under Edit, you can see under the General here, we have Languages, defaults with English. But if you are looking for a different language to work on, just do the drop down and pick which one works best for you. The other thing I want to show you is the keyboard shortcuts here, so you just simply go through and know what all the different shortcuts are. This can save you a lot of time if you start using this program a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this. First thing I want to do though is import media here, and it's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you this in 3 ways. First of all, I'm just going to change the size of my screen. I have some video, audio, and images ready to go here in a file on my desktop. The easiest way to import this would be just to grab them and just drag them over, and you are gonna see it goes into the project files right beside. I'm just gonna make this larger again. Another way that you can do this is just simply hit the green plus sign, import files, and then I can go to the file I want. This is the same file, and I could import them all again. And another way would be to right click and import files. So very easy to get your files in. As you can see, this is going to be your project files where you are going to be working with your video, your audio, and your images. This is your timeline down below where we are going to be dragging things, and I will show you that in a moment. And this is where you are gonna preview your work on the timeline. Couple other things I just want to show you with the setup here. You can grab and drag these around to customize it. If you wanted things in a different place, feel comfortable by just grabbing the top of it and dragging it to wherever you want. You can kind of lay it on top, but you can see it will adjust and you can play all around with it. If you get things kind of messed up, you can see how I can close down any of these windows that maybe you have closed down too many windows. The other thing you can do to simply get back to where you were before, go to View and then go to Views here, and if I go to Simple Mode, you are gonna see that it just jumps back to where I was before, and I can resize it here. Very simple to get back if you have made some adjustments that you don't know how you made them. Okay, let's go on and take a look at our timeline now, how we can start bringing these clips down to it. Alright, let's put some things to our timeline. I'm gonna show you 2 different ways how to do this here, and then I'm gonna show you some of the ways to get a different view of your timeline. First of all, I'm just gonna grab a video here. I'm gonna grab this one and just drag it into a track, and now I'm just gonna go grab my playhead, move it a little closer. I'm gonna hit the green button here to play it, and you are gonna hear that there is audio attached to this. It's just a video clip recorded on it, and of course I can bring audio as well. The one thing to note, a lot of video editors will have a separate audio track for it. These here are just called track 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If I bring down audio, I can bring it into the same track and have it played after, or I could bring it under like this, so it's not separated audio track. You can just bring all the tracks and you can use them however you want. You can also bring images in. This here is just an image I have. If I bring this in, now I have brought in a video, an audio here, and an image.